Alright you guys, before we hit the intro, little disclaimer, watch the video to the end. What was supposed to be a fun fall makeup look has officially turned into a first impressions disaster. So I just wanted to give you guys a forewarning. But yeah, so let's get into that intro. Hi guys, it's Modesty and welcome back to my channel, or hi, how are you if you're new, and how are you guys if you're returning anyway. Today I was like, all right, you just want to play with makeup. I just want to play with makeup today. I want to do a fall makeup look of some sort. I have a few products I haven't showed you guys on camera or I haven't tried out yet, and some things I haven't used in a while, so I thought I would just bust out a bunch of different stuff and do my makeup with you guys. So I want to remind you guys that if you enjoyed the video, to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And if you are subscribed or you're going to, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. But without further ado, let's just dive into this fall makeup look. Alright you guys, so I'm going to be starting with the eyes today, only because I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do. So I'm going to grab some eye primer. I'm going to start with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow base. You guys, I heard that P. Louise is now at Sephora. I have not gotten a chance to try it out. If you guys have tried it and it's worth it, let me know if I should check it out. I've heard some amazing things about it, but I've also heard that this one is very similar to it, so I'm not entirely sure. Just let your girl know if she should try it out or not. I do like that they have different shades. This one's really light, but also really does the trick, so I don't know. I've been on the fence about like making the dive or not to get the P. Louise base. Like, look at that. That is blank. And I like that it dries quick. You don't have to like set it. So I think that's one thing I do appreciate about it, because a lot of bases you have to set. This one, you don't. Okay, so I haven't played around. It's been staring at me. I feel like that happens to me a lot, but I have not played around with the Norvina one, and they've already come out with another one, so I'm like, you are so behind the game. So I think I want to play with this today. I haven't even like opened. Oh my lord. Wow. That is something else. I have not played with this, so I think I'm gonna play around with this. And I did a quickie with this NARS one on my vlog channel, but I didn't really like take the time to check it out, so I kind of want to play around with that. I'm not entirely sure. I really like the BH Cosmetics eye topper, so I pulled out a few things and I'm like, well, what really do you want to play with? So we will just see where my brushes take me today. So the one thing I do always start out with is a transition shade. So I'm gonna kind of go fall. So I'm gonna actually start out with this shade right here in the NARS palette. This is the NARS Make Up Your Mind palette, and I am going to just buff this into my crease. I remember the one time I used this palette, I didn't use an eyeshadow primer. I was in a rush and I forgot to put on an eyeshadow base, and I was like, no, what are you doing? And I was like halfway done, so I was like, well, we've come too far. So I just finished up. So I didn't even really pay too much attention to like how this performed. But I mean, I got it because Tarte really liked it, and you know, I like her recommendations, so I bought it, and it was on the 50% off. But I really want to test out this palette, so I'm gonna be going into this kind of mustardy shade, the E3, right? I don't want to blind you guys, so I'm not showing you the mirror. The E3. Oh, a little card thought. Okay. We'll see how this performs. So I'm gonna, ooh, she's pigmented. So I'm gonna buff this right here. Sometimes that's how I create like my most favorite looks, is I just kind of do. I don't really go in with any sort of plan, and then that's always like my favorite looks. I feel like it's because I go in with no expectations. You know, when I go with like a certain look in mind, then it's like, oh, but if I'm not achieving that, then it's like, you know, I think you get what I'm saying. Okay, these are really pigmented, you guys. Like, pigment. Now, it's a little too neon for me to be like I want like an orangey brown, but then I don't want to be like super typical either. So let's see. Ooh, I'm kind of feeling like a mixture. I'm kind of feeling like this purple right here. So let me grab a brush and we will try out this purple in here. That's not that pigmented, but then again, NARS eyeshadows, definitely they're very what's the word, I just want to call it like a mature brand, like nothing's too like bam in your face. It's just kind of like their vibe, but I don't know if that's my vibe today because I'm not really feeling that. So we will try out a different shade. Oh, C5, and this one down here. Boom, I know exactly what I'm doing. Going with C5. Oh man, this is gonna be sick. Yes, that's what I wanted. Oh, this is gonna be great. I'm gonna raise my eye just so that I don't bring it up too high. I'm just gonna hold my finger here. I have really loose lid skin, so I wanna place this like literally all over my lid. And turn my brush sideways as I blend it up a little bit. I don't wanna go up too high because this is a pretty dark color. I just wanted to blend it out just a smidge. Oh, I know what I want to do now. Okay, the look is coming to me. This is what I do. Like, I just start and then it's like I start to imagine like the direction it can go. I know what I want to do now. How many of you do makeup like that? Like, you just kind of sit down and just go. I need a clean brush or cleaner, and blend out those edges because that was looking a little cray. That blended right away. Do you see that? Like, whoa, do you see that? It's like, it just flicks right away. What's going on here? Hey, bring my pigment back. Where's my pigment? Bring my pigment back to me. What's going on here? It's only on this eye. What's happening? What's happening? It's looking really messy. This is exactly why I did my eyes first, because this is looking a little sketch. I'm gonna grab E3 again, which is that like transition mustard shade. What is happening with this shade, you guys? Do I like this? Now I'm not so sure. At least not that color. That's really gonna, do you guys see it? It keeps like disappearing. What is happening here? Hang on. Please hold. Please don't let me be like the one person who doesn't like this palette. Cause that would suck. Cause everyone else is all about this palette and I'm sitting here like not convinced, and this is not a hard shade to formulate. So Anastasia, don't mess with me. It's not the day. Okay, let me try this again. Cause it literally like, it just like comes off. And I know that it's not the base because this base is freaking dope. This is gonna make me really mad, you guys. I was like, oh, this is gonna be so awesome. Okay, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. I have to like freaking hold my... This is gonna suck. How is this something that's supposed to be like so good end up like just like going kaput in about 2.5 seconds? I was like so freaking excited. Now I'm just pissed off. This is gonna suck. Do you guys see like what is happening here? Like, do you guys see it like on my lid? It's so freaking patchy. It's not even funny like how patchy that is. Oh, goodness gracious. Why does makeup hate me so? I need like this shade right here. This is what I need. Okay, come on. Bring my look back to life. No one else in Evanescence. Okay, this is thank you, NARS. You are saving the day. And this is, you guys, I'm gonna fix this. Don't worry. I did not anticipate the. Oh my god, the look. Do you see all that fallout? That is not funny. I'm so glad that I did my eyes first. And like, look, I'm just like blending like here and it's coming off. Do you see that? Girl, no, this is not cute. This is not cute. No, I don't accept it. I don't. Where's my, okay, I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna go in with Credit. This is from the, Jackie Aina palette. Norvina, honey. Honey, no. Honey, Alright, I'm like really salty all of a sudden because I was like, everyone like raves about this palette and I'm sitting here like, no, no honey. Oh God. It's like the Subculture palette but worse. If Anastasia ever saw this video, they'd probably be like, she's never gonna be on our PR list. But, you know, thanks to the YouTube algorithm, no one sees my videos. Alright. This is, oh God, like, look. All this is fallout. That's not a funny joke at all. Do I even want to keep using this palette? Okay, so, oh my God, look, it's like all, why? Okay, so there's that so far. I'm gonna take this, I don't even know, I can't even think straight now. I'm just like so upset. Okay, let's try out some of the shimmers in here. Maybe the shimmers are better. So I'm gonna start out with the shade A4 right there. And we will see how this looks. Let's try my finger. All right, finger's a little better. Okay, so there's that with my finger. Let's do the other side. Okay, let's try C2. So I really want like a really intense gold. So do I want to take Millions out of the Jeffree Star palette, or do I want to take C2, or do I want to do both? I'm not sure. I'm really just trying to figure out what's happening here. Let's try C2 because I don't want to like, I want this palette to redeem itself. So let's see if that's a little bit more vibrant and like the intensity that I want. That's just not cute. I don't know why. Maybe I just like this palette is officially giving me like a bad taste in my mouth because that was that matte shade is not hard to formulate. And I know Anastasia can do it. What did they do wrong with this palette? I mean, that's okay. Like it, but see, it's all like, I'm sorry. Okay, let me grab my glitter glue. I'm taking the NYX glitter primer right here. In your face moment. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that. And I take some of this on my finger and then pat it on. Yes, that is what I want. Oh, that's what I want, yeah. So pretty. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go in with the shade Calabasas in here, only because that's a kind of similar to the shade that I wanted to use. And we'll see if this one performs better. So I'm gonna take Calabasas and do it right there. Oh yeah. What is happening here? Okay. Okay guys, so I need to go recollect myself and put on some false lashes. My face is like super irritated right now because of all the freaking fallout and having to like clean it. I need a second and we'll be right back. Alright you guys, that is it for this makeup look. I am so just like incredibly disappointed. I I was really, really, really excited for this look, you guys. Like, I was pumped. And then I didn't expect, well, I expected more. That's the problem. Maybe I set my expectations too high, but I mean, for a palette that costs this much money, I'm incredibly disappointed in this palette. I'm not happy with it. It's not good. It is, I prefer the Subculture palette. I could just show you guys, like, the fallout is just like all over the palette. It just gets messy. It was blended. It just comes right off. It, like, I don't even want to try the other colors anymore. I tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I tried 5 of the colors and not a single one of them was I happy with. The shades are beautiful, you guys. They are, and they swatch amazingly, which is, this is why you guys, this is why I don't swatch things anymore. The swatches are so incredibly, like, they feel so good when you swatch them. They do, they truly do. They feel incredible. But I was just left so incredibly disappointed. I don't know. It's too late for me to return it, so I'm gonna keep it around, and like maybe the pinks and purples in here are redeeming. I don't know, but the Jeffree Star Morphe collab palette performs much better. I'm just like, I'm so disappointed. So I apologize about the, like if you took away my eye makeup, I'd be so happy with everything else. But my eye makeup is just like not cute. I'm gonna be totally real with you guys. I'm probably gonna wash this off right when I'm done. Which sucks because I've just spent 2 hours filming this. I'm sorry, I'm so negative. I was just like, I'm so disappointed in the palette. Let me zoom in, let me show you. Like, just look. Do you see the patchiness in here? And it's like coming off, and it's like, and I used it's a good eyeshadow base. It's just, it's sloppy, I'm really disappointed. For a $60 or $68 palette, no. This is not how it should be performing. Not even a little bit. I'm just really disappointed because I love Anastasia eyeshadows, so, yeah, that is the mess. Anyways, everything else on my face looks really good. I will have all the products listed in the description box, except for this. I'm donezo with this. So I'm donezo with this. This just, I don't like it. Donezo with this. But everything else, like, looks really good. But that's just my 2 cents. So what was supposed to be a fun fall makeup look turned into a regrettable first impression. So I apologize about that, but you know what? You win some, you lose some. I'm not gonna love every product on the market. And if you guys love this palette, I am so jealous of you guys. Keep loving the palette if you already love it. I personally don't recommend it though. The color palette is beautiful. Formula, I expected Anastasia Beverly Hills formula. That's what I expected, and that's not what I got. So I'm a little disappointed in the formula, but other than that, that is it for this video. I hope it was informative. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. But other than that, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Goodbye.